On September 20th, 1996, Mir Murtaza Bhutto, an elected member of the parliament, was returning home from a public meeting on the outskirts of Karachi. He was accompanied by Ashik Jatoi, Sattar Rajpur, Sajjad Haider Gakhro, Rahim Rohi, Yar Muhammad Baloch and Wajahat Jokhio. What followed came as a shock to the nation, Mir Murtaza's family as well as the Prime Minister of Pakistan, his sister Benazir Bhutto. A heavy contingent of police present yards from his house opened fire, killing all 7, including Mir Murtaza Bhutto. However, an FIR filed on the complaint of Inspector Haq Nawaz claimed that Murtaza's companions had attacked police unprovoked, killing a passerby and injuring 2 police officers. A week later, Haq Nawaz was found dead in his house. Today, after the passage of more than 13 years, Murtaza's companions who were accused of the attack have been acquitted by Judicial Magistrate Aftab Ahmed. They include Dr. Mazhar Memon, Ghulam Mustafa, Asghar Ali, Asif Jatoi, Mahmood Bhalai and Akhtar Ali Mirani. Defense attorney Umar Sayaz says their release is encouraging, but the final verdict is yet to come.
जो कंक्लूसिव कमेंट्स हैं वो कल के बाद ही आपसे शेयर करेंगे, लेकिन जहाँ तक इस पार्ट का ताल्लुक है तो इस पार्ट में तो वी आर हैप्पी, नॉट सरप्राइज्ड, क्योंकि कोई भी एविडेंस नहीं था इन लोगों के खिलाफ और दुख इस बात का है कि 13 साल लग गए इसको इस स्टेज तक पहुँचने में.
That verdict will be for the case registered against police officials accusing them of premeditated murder of Mir Murtaza Bhutto and his companions. Several high-ranking officials, including Shoaib Sadal, who was DIG Karachi, Wajid Durrani, SSP Karachi South at the time, ASPs Rai Tahir and Shahid Hayat are among those nominated as accused in that case. Murtaza Bhutto's sole surviving companion from that fateful day, Mazhar Memon, says he has postponed celebrations over his acquittal till tomorrow's verdict.
When the Benazir government toppled, we given the opportunity by through the court, and court gave us the opportunity to lodge an FIR against those butchers. We are confident because now the courts are not this much compelled by the establishment or the governments.
61 witnesses had taken the stand in this case over the past decade. Prosecution lawyers later withdrew 40 of these, while 21 testimonies were admitted in court. A large number of police officials were deployed at Karachi City Court in anticipation of the verdict today. With the implementation of the new judicial policy, this case that had implicated 6 of Murtaza Bhutto's companions on the evening of 20th September 1996 has finally been decided, and now all eyes are set on the verdict that will be announced in the main Murtaza Bhutto murder trial tomorrow. Mubin Nasir, Torn News, Karachi.